2018 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable mirrors, heated mirrors, power mirrors, emergency braking assist, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ventilated front disc brakes, daytime running lights, hill start assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, backup camera, Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, climate control automatic, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.